Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. Sorry I haven't been posting any videos lately. Been having some medical problems trying to work those. But anyway, I got an email that showed me this information about the jamming of ham radios communications in Cuba. And this is a very extensive article, and I'll put the link. This is at the IEEE Spectrum website. And I'll put a link to this article, and it goes into detail what's going on in Cuba related to the takeover or debacle in Cuba. And they are attempting, somebody, I don't know who they is, it might give you more details in here. I haven't read the whole article. They are jamming the frequencies that amateur radio operate on, specifically 40 meters. And it tells you, people that have been trying to do communications with people in Cuba that have ham radios to get insight onto what's really going on down there. And of course, there are a lot of people that have come from Cuba to Florida and have either have a license or maybe they don't have a license to operate on the amateur radio bands, like I say, specifically the 40 meter band. And what you can do is you can go to the 40 meter band and listen to all the conversation that's going on and the jamming and everything. And if you don't have a radio that can tune the 40 meter band, you can use, and I think I mentioned it down here, you can use the online radios. Yeah, right here. Public Kiwi SDR network. I'm not sure that one still exists. Let's just try the link. One of these went down. Oh no, there it is. So you can use the map view where it is. Map, that's what we want. And I've showed you this before. And then you can zoom in. So I live in, so what you want to do is you want to find a station. So notice there's none that are using this internet radio system in Cuba. There's one here in the Dominican Republic, and there's a couple here in Florida. So you can tune to one of these. So you select it, and then you select what's the information about it, and then you click on it, and it will take you to that radio. Now I'm in control of that radio.
And I was on the border of
And
that. So
they're on the, let's go to the, where's audio? Audio.
Realize that I have to buy my life back with my life.
Turn the volume down. So you can go up here, for instance, select a band, go way down. You have to go way down. Oh, wait a minute. They don't have a listing of the, on this particular website, radio, they don't have the, that I see offhand. Oh, here it is. 40 meters. Okay, you can select 40 meters. It will tune the radio to that area, and then you can see some communications that are going on and listen in to see what is happening. Because these people, some of these people, especially ones in Florida, because there are people who came from Cuba living in Florida, you can listen in on these conversations where they're trying to contact maybe their relatives down in Cuba to find out what's going on. So that's pretty interesting, and definitely something related to our hobby of shortwave listening. So that's it. Again, I will show you, I will put the link, go back here, and we'll go back to the article put a link to this article, Cuba Jamming Ham Radio. Listen for yourself. It's very extensive, got a lot of details. I'll put that link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Sorry, I will put it in the first comment on this particular show. Put that link. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.